Okay, hello, I'm James. I'm from Subway and I'm the marketing manager.
I'm Rex from Singapore Chinese Culture Centre. So I'm a program curator, so we curate theatre productions, exhibition and videos relating to Singapore Chinese culture.
As marketing manager, I manage the Southeast Asia marketing along with our wider marketing team. So we focus on creative, digital for the brand. We've been working with Aventis for a number of months now, participating in some of the courses that you offer.
We have been taking courses with Aventis for the past 3 years. I think Aventis provides a lot of courses which allows us to upgrade our skills so that we can handle our work more efficiently.
So we are always searching for new training solutions for our staff, and Aventis offered a number of courses that we thought would be of interest to us and have really helped us to understand key areas of business and also marketing.
I think they provide us with an insight to problem solving, like managing people and relationships, getting to have basic knowledge of some of the things that will help us in our work. Like for example, Adobe, Power BI. Yeah. I think one of the good things is that the location of the classroom is, in the city, is very central, and of course, the setting is very conducive. It's not like just a boring classroom.
So the courses have been really engaging. We've had some really good trainers, and they've really made the courses really fun, easy to learn the different aspects of the course as well. I think the pace was really good. It wasn't too quick, but it wasn't too slow at the same time, so we managed to keep up and I think understand everything that you were trying to teach me. Well, I think Aventis offers a range of courses that we can participate in. I think as a marketing professional, I think the ones offered are really interesting to us. So I think it really helps us in our day-to-day jobs.
I think they provide a lot of options, a lot of courses, so it's a one-stop solution for a lot of our training. Yes, definitely.
Absolutely, yes, I would